Hey guys, welcome back from BIM Eaton Studio. So today's video, I'm going to show you how can we use appearance profiler in the Navisworks. Before I show you how to do it, I just want to let you know, please find selection set, success, and after that classification video from my YouTube channel because this kind of video I have been uploaded before because in the appearance profiler I have to use selection set and success. Alright, so we have to, first of all, we have to go to the home tab and then we can see appearance profiler. And then in the appearance profiler window, we have the two kind of tab, the bind property tab and then bind set tab. In the bind set tab, under the bind set tab, we can see two kind of selection set because I have created one selection set and one set before, so that's why I can see this kind of select in the appearance profiler window. Alright, when I select this one, okay, when I click the selection set 01, we can see like that, and after that when I select the set 01, we can also see like that. Alright, so now I just want to create a new one. I just click the selection set 01, and after that I'm going to change the color to the yellow, and after that click the edge. After I settle this one and click the run button, and we can see the yellow color to the selection set 01. And after that, I also want to change the color for the set 01 for the place. So right now, I just want to use another color. Probably I'm going to use this color. After that, I also want to click the add button and then click run button. So now I can see that color to my set 01. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to use the appearance profiler by property. So this one I only get. Alright, so first of all, I just want to change the color to the tree. So I'm going to click the one. So that time we have to open our property stock table window because we need to get the information from the property spouse. So now I'm going to get the property and then I'm going to fill in my find item because this information I'm going to put in my find property. Alright, so now I just click the tree. So the category is item, and then I'm also just going to change the name to the type. So change to the type after that, and then the condition is equal and the value is planting because I'm not using the name because the name is different for the trees, but the type is the same. So that's why I'm using the type for the property column. So now I'm going to select the planting. Okay, then I'm going to click the select all. Alright, so this one is selected of the tree. So I'm going to use this information in my appearance profiler. So the category is item, and the property I have to type in. I have to manually type the type, and after that the equal condition is equal and the value is planting. Alright, right now I'm going to use the green color for the tree. Then I'm going to add rain. Alright, so now all my tree changed to the green color. So we are using the appearance profiler for our coordination. Sometimes we have to select, we have to show them something like that. So that's why we are using the appearance profiler, and this really very useful tools in the Navisworks, and then for the clash coordination and then the coordination work. Alright, so now I am using the appearance profiler, but I don't want to use it anymore. And then if you create, okay, I'm going to create another one. Then I'm going to click one. Okay, but now I don't want to use it. I can delete it. I select and then delete it. If you don't want everything, you can choose the delete all. And then after that, another one more thing is I don't want to see that kind of any color. So I also want to get the original color. So we have to use a select box to select a lot of element in one time. And after that, we have to go to the item tool, and here have the reset transform tools, and then we can use it. So all right, sorry. So I have to do it again. Click and then item, and after that, okay, I have to click the reset appearance. All right, so now I get back the original color. Okay, so that's all for the appearance profiler tools of the Navisworks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.